What the fuck is an abnormal load?
A not normal load.
Somebody's showing you. Give me 5 minutes.
Get out the road!